Hey everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel on trains from all over the East Coast of the United States. And if you enjoy these videos, please take a second to hit the thanks button. It's a brand new feature on YouTube. It's down at the bottom where it says share and like and everything else. It says thanks. Gives you the opportunity to contribute $1 or $2 or even more if you'd like as a thank you for these great train videos. Here comes another video. Hope you enjoy it. And we're in Worcester. Here comes Amtrak 449. A couple minutes late. On its way to the Windy City. Let's see what we got for power. We got number 87 in the lead. Followed by, look at that beat up. 87 and 88, wow, consecutive power. You never see that. And two coaches. Man, it looks pretty busy. Looks pretty busy. So it goes from here to Springfield to Albany. Look at the dent in this. Somebody hit this one. Somebody hit that pretty good. But let's see what we got. There they go, out of Worcester. 87 and 88. Hardly ever see that. You got your sleeper, and then your business class cafe. Two coaches on its way ultimately to Chicago. But before that, it stops in Albany and picks up another 6 or 7 cars. Great day, everybody. Hey, please subscribe. Hey, everybody, we are in Madison, Connecticut. And this is a stop for several Shoreline East trains. But it's also a halfway point between New Haven and New London. And we're looking north right now, where we're going to be expecting Amtrak train 161 come flying through. And here they are. Here they are. Amtrak 161. If you like this video, we have so many more. Please like it and share it. Here it is, look, wave. Wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cars, Nolan.